Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk about all things finance. Today, we're going to dive into the world of DSCR loans, how they can help you build your rental empire, and how to get them. If you're a real estate investor looking to buy a short-term rental property or expand your portfolio, a DSCR loan might be the perfect solution for you. So, let's jump right in. What is a DSCR loan? First, let's define what a DSCR loan is. DSCR stands for Debt Service Coverage Ratio, and it's a type of loan that's typically used for commercial real estate investments. The lender evaluates the borrower's ability to repay the loan by calculating the ratio of the property's net operating income to its debt service payments. Tip 1. Check out different DSCR loans. Before applying for a DSCR loan, it's important to check out different DSCR loans and ensure that you meet the lender's requirements. Generally, lenders look for a minimum DSCR of 1.2, which means that the property's net operating income is 20% higher than the debt service payments. Tip 2. Gather documentation. To apply for a DSCR loan, you'll need to gather documentation such as tax returns, financial statements, and rent rolls. Make sure to have all of these documents organized and ready to present to the lender. Tip 3. Understand the terms. DSCR loans typically have higher interest rates and shorter repayment terms than traditional loans. It's important to understand the terms of the loan before signing any documents. Typically, a DSCR loan will require 20% down, but some lenders will do less depending on experience and credit. Tip 4. Find the right lender. When looking for a DSCR loan, it's important to find the right lender. Look for lenders who are investor-friendly and have experience with DSCR loans. Tip 5. Build a relationship with the lender. Finally, it's important to build a relationship with the lender. This can help you get better terms on future loans and can also make the application process smoother. Conclusion. So, that's it for today's video on getting a DSCR loan. Remember to check your DSCR, gather documentation, understand the terms, find the right lender, and build a relationship with the lender. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more finance tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.